So point one I've developed here, represented here. Information evolves in many directions, taking on multiple meanings, and this was inspired by the work of others as well. So IT specialists are often drawn to common terms like customer or product, whereas most information doesn't conform to such strict boundaries. It takes an awful lot of effort to say, well, what is an element? What is a member? What is a connection? And so forth. What we were trying to do in the SimSteel project is represent information in the real world into computers and enable it to be exchanged. However, we should look at a human-centered approach to information, and that calls for preserving the rich complexity we want in our information diets. So we know what we mean by product or customer or beam or column and so on, but the computer isn't really that smart.